everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Paramjeet, a professional makeup artist, and I am back with another exciting video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing this sparkly eye makeup look which you can recreate for the festive season or for any wedding function. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right into it. I've done my base makeup before applying my eyeshadow. You can also do your base makeup before or after doing your eye makeup. Before we begin doing the eye makeup, we need to prepare the base. You could either use an eyeshadow base or even a concealer. I'm going to be using the NARS eyeshadow base today. I've already done my eyebrows today. If you want to learn how to fill your eyebrows to make them look fuller, I will link the video on the I button above and you can have a look at it. For today's eye makeup, I'm going to be using an eye palette from Morphe called 35B. For the transition shade, I'm going to be using this baby pink color, and using a fluffy brush, I'm going to be applying on my crease line. Next, I'm going to be applying this dark pink shade with a small fluffy brush and applying it from the outer corner towards the center. Now I'm going to warm the eye look a little by using this peach color. Now I'm going to be applying this shimmery pink shade on the inner corner. Now for the sparkly effect, I'm going to be using the DeLancey glitter palette and I'm going to be using this light pink shade. I'm going to be applying the glitter with my finger. Take a very small amount in the beginning and keep adding as you work. I am applying the same dark pink color on my lower lash line. Once you are satisfied with the eye makeup, you can apply the eyeliner. Today, I am going to be using the Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. I have done a classic wing eyeliner today. If you do not like it, you can completely skip it and do a normal thin line without the wing. Now for the next step, which is kajal, and I am going to be using my favorite one, which is Faces Magnet Eyes. Time now for the mascara, and I am going to be applying the Benefit Lash Mascara. So that's the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I loved creating this. If you do try this look at home, let me know how it turned out. I will be waiting for your comments and suggestions. Please like and share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to turn the notifications on. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.